Hi, hello, welcome, come on in. If you'd like to put your bags down over there and your coats, and if you'd like to join us in a circle. Welcome, come on in.
Now when you've got your bags down, you can come round in a circle.
Right, okay. Welcome everybody. My name's Clive and I'm going to be doing some sort of drama stuff in this workshop today. And my colleague...
I'm Dave and I'll just be doing a bit of a warm-up and some breathing exercises.
Great, but before we do that, I guess we ought to go round and just check everyone's name, shall we? So, as I said, I'm Clive. Let's go round this way.
I'm Ben. Hi, I'm John.
I'm Dave, of course.
I'm Connie. I'm Sharon. I'm Jenny.
Great, okay. Welcome. Hope you're all feeling okay. I'm going to hand over to Dave, who's going to do some brief warm-ups
Just a
with
bit
us.
of loosening up to start with, so we're ready for some movement. So soft in the knees and just a nice little bounce and loosen the shoulders. A nice swing. And we're working together. So now make contact across the circle with somebody. Who? Use your eyes as well. See if you can get all the way around. It's more difficult when it's next to you, but we can still do that. And then all the way up. And breathe. And relax one side. Oh, and then push up. And relax the other side. And push up both. And then open out and just feel where gravity wins and let go. Great. And loosen the back, side to side. Nice and easy. Okay, so free and easy in the upper body. Right. Okay, now we'll just do a kind of mirroring exercise. So look to the person across the circle, and one of us will begin by leading, and the person opposite will follow. Don't make it too complicated, too fast. You want them to follow, and then once you started to make a connection, and you're happy with that, rhythm, etc. together, change leaders as we're moving. So don't break the connection, just follow the person and their movement. Okay, and change leaders whenever you want. And then back to a nice finish somewhere. We keep eye contact. And and just take a leg off. Nice and loose. Okay.
Okay. Should I do something now then, Dave?
Over to you.
Okay. So that was interesting. It's all about communicating and watching and observing. So let's kind of try and get used to the space now, shall we? So I'd like you just to start moving around the space and just kind of get used to the space. Ignore everyone else to start with, just be on your own, maybe keep your eyes downwards, look towards the floor, but have an awareness of where everyone else is in the room. So just watch where people are and keep walking around the space, get used to the space, and then maybe start to look up a bit and maybe you can start to notice people. And when you notice them, you can find a way of saying hello to them. You can nod, you can wave, stick your thumbs up, even you can fist bump if you want to do that. You can shake hands, fist bump or shake hands. You can, whatever that is, slap hands, I don't know. High-fiving, half-fiving. Yeah, great, okay. And just be aware, that's right, when you walk past people, just make sure you don't run into them. Okay, and find yourself a space on your own to stand in the room. Great. Now we're going to do some stuff just to kind of get used to imagine that we're creating some sort of character. So let's start with our nose. And I want you to imagine that over a count of 10, your nose is going to grow. Okay? And it's going to become a colossal nose with massive nostrils. Okay? I know that sounds a bit obscene and a bit strange, but let's try it and see what happens. So as I count up from 1 to 10, let's make massive nostrils, massive noses, and see how that leads you around the space. It might feel uncomfortable, that's okay. If you feel a bit, well, this feels a bit strange, let it happen. Okay, so start to move around the space. At the moment we're still at number 1, so we're still quite small. And as I count up, we get bigger and bigger. So 2, 3, starting to stick out a bit, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's becoming a bit cumbersome, 8, 9, and now 10. Your nose is colossal. It is so big, you have to almost hold it up. You lose all your centre of gravity. It's colossal. And now let's go back down again. 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just stand still. What was that like? Was that weird? Was that strange? Was that comfortable? Uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable.
What was uncomfortable about it?
You have to pretend that you've got a massive nose.
Retta didn't have to blow it.
Yeah, so it's actually useful to notice when things make you feel uncomfortable or not, actually. Let's try just one more, shall we? Tell you what, let's do our left knee this time. Okay, so I want, as I count to 10, your left knee becomes massive and it leads you around the space and it knocks you off balance. See what that feels like. Okay, so start moving around on your own again. So to number 1, which is normal size at the moment. Now it's going to start to